Hello everyone, I am Angelica C. Torres and I will be presenting the Web Application System Architecture and Network Architecture Design. So first, Web Application System Architecture. So this diagram shows how the Laravel and Nuxt system works. The Nuxt.js front-end, client-side, handles the user interface and sends HTTP API requests to the Laravel backend. The Laravel API receives these requests, processes them through routes, controllers, and models, and communicate with the database to fetch or store data. The database returns the data to the Laravel, which sends a JSON response back to Nuxt. Optionally, everything can be deployed using VirtualBox for development and testing. The second one is Network Architecture Design. So this network diagram illustrates the connection setup for a two-floor building. So floor 1 and floor 2 each have 10 desktop PCs connected through hubs that link to a Cisco Catalyst 2960 switch. The switches from both floors are connected to a Cisco 1941 router, which serves as the central device enabling inter-floor communication and routing between networks. Each floor operates on a different subnet. Floor 1 is 192.168.12.0-24 and floor 2 is 192.168.17.0-24. The router acts as the main gateway for the both networks, facilitating data transfer and connectivity between the two subnets. Ethernet cable is used to interconnect all devices, PCs, hubs, switches, and the router, ensuring reliable wired communication through the building. This network setup provides a stable and organized LAN infrastructure across two floors. Each floor is managed through its own subnet and switch, while the router enables inter-floor communication and potential internet connectivity if an ISP link were added. That's all and thank you.